Is your Facebook cluttered with old, unlinked accounts? Let's fix that. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once in the app, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, then tap on it. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, look for and tap on Personal and Account Information. On this page, you'll find Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that. Next, select Deactivation and Deletion. Here, Facebook gives you two choices if you only want to temporarily remove an account. Choose Deactivate Account if you want to permanently remove it. Select Delete Account. After making your selection, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, Facebook will provide steps to finalize the process. Follow these carefully to ensure the account is unlinked or deleted. And there you have it. Your Facebook presence is now streamlined and secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.